one such student that WWF has been able to get him to build an interest towards nature and conservation, and he has voluntarily come and started volunteering with us for the last 3 days, and he wants to be with us for the whole of his summer vacation. He has a summer vacation of 3 months, so he has come and volunteered. He was a student just like you who was in the WWF nature camp, I think about 3 or 4 years ago. Sahil, am I correct? 2 years ago. He came with us for one of our camps, and then he also attended the amateur naturalist training program that we had done. Yeah, so one of the camp and one of the ANT, and now he's so eager and so interested. I want to do anything. I want to go to WWF and volunteer. So I just want to introduce you because these are the things you've already been a part of this program. So I can see that a lot of you have already started identifying trees, butterflies, even without the apps now. I've interacted with you quite a lot, and it's wonderful. It gives me also so much of privilege, and I feel very proud of you. So I just want to introduce Sahil, and he's also one of you, and I hope you take encouragement from him also. Sahil, please. Okay, so just taking the program forward, I'd like to give a brief. Before we do that, I'd like to welcome Dr. Shubha Lakshmi, who has conceptualized this idea, and the founder of Ladybird Environmental Consulting. She was a little delayed because of her flight, but ma'am is here now, and we're taking the program forward. I'd like to give a small project overview of what has happened in the last 4 months. Yeah, the Urban iNature Watch Challenge, which was a auditorium where we had 9 schools. Can you go on to the next slide? We had 9 schools who participated, and we did receive a good response even after the inauguration program. The chief guest was Mr. P.K. Sharma, IFS, who is a PCCF and Chief Wildlife Warden of the Telangana Forest Department. And we had a lot of other dignitaries and guests as well with us. Next slide. Were you all present here during this program? You were not? Why? Oh, you had exams. Hyderabad Public School couldn't come that time. Only the teachers were there. Yes. So we had the program here. It was inaugurated in the same auditorium. And post that, I conducted orientation programs in all your schools. We mostly covered the screening of the iNature Watch videos, where we spoke about biodiversity, climate change, and the impacts of climate change on biodiversity. I also, we spoke about how to take this program forward and how do you do your documentation of your campus biodiversity, and also help with the registration of your schools onto the iNature Watch website. These are some of the photographs from the orientation workshop that was conducted. Most of the photographs have been sent to me by school staff, also using those pictures. Then we also conducted an outdoor visit to the Mahavira Hadina Banastali National Park. This was basically to just kind of motivate students and get them to build more interest into this subject. So, Subhalakshmi ma'am, you'll be surprised that this was done after almost 2 months after the inauguration. But the teachers and the students, they were so interested, they were just coming and telling me like, ma'am, look at this bird, this is this bird, and this is this butterfly. So they had already started identifying a lot of birds, trees, and butterflies. So we took 10 students from each school, and that itself made me feel very proud, and it motivated me a lot. So we had a trail around the butterfly park, we did a safari in the national park, and we also had a small program on snake awareness. So these are some of the pictures from the visit. And coming to the documentation of the schools, thank you to the teachers who have been the driving force behind this. I think we all know that it's difficult to carry out such activities, especially during the exam period of December to March. But in spite of it, we've received a great response from the schools of Hyderabad, and sadly, one of the schools that was there in the inauguration program, they couldn't participate because they're of a ICSE curriculum, and they had a lot of exams, and then they finished off this school in March. So they were unable to do, in spite of the students being very enthusiastic about the program. Hopefully they'll